So this is my Damiana tea experiment, part 2. I actually drank this tea 2 nights in a row. This is me on night 1 of drinking way too much Damiana. This was me on the 2nd night. Both nights I had very vivid dreams, very weird dreams. Night 1, I had a disturbing dream about raw oysters. And when I say these dreams were disturbing, I don't mean that they were horrifying. I am going to quickly go into like 2 of them just so you guys can get the vibe, where the more I ate these large raw oysters, the more they just became like innards. And then the meat of the oysters just started dissolving, and what was left was like balls of hair inside of the oysters. I knew I was doing something wrong, but it didn't hit me what that was until night 2. So the first dream I had last night was also very vivid and disturbing. I had a dream about this invasive insect species from over the summer that everybody on TikTok was killing, with good reason. So these bugs started getting into my house, and I was doing like the TikTok trick with water bottles, but then they were getting bigger and transforming into these phantom insects, like from Ball Island. Just a little freaky to have to kill like these giant insects all over my house. So then I woke up from some of those strange dreams last night, and I realized I was doing something wrong. I had my heater on way too long, and I was sleeping hot, which, if you're familiar, this is a dreaming no-no. But as soon as I put my ceiling fan on and went back to sleep, then I had some of the most beautiful and incredible lucid dreams. Not scary or disturbing at all, so please be sure when you're working with these herbs to be sleeping cool. My favorite Damiana lucid dream from last night was my hands became magnetized, and I started attracting these large rocks that were buzzing, and they were just like vibrating very intensely in my hand. And when I dropped them, I could pick them back up just by waving my hand over it because it was magnetized. But yeah, all in all, I'd consider this a success. I wish I was sleeping cool the entire time. I also do not recommend drinking 2 to 3 teaspoons of Damiana. That was just for the experiment's sake. Have you obtained any cool powers in your dreams? Let me know in the comments section.